Thank you all for coming here tonight, and thank you, Dina, for putting this all together. This is awesome. I'm going to keep it short, so I'll give you a little quick introduction about who I am. My name is Lauren Gitlin. I am the founder of LegitOils. I give essential oil education to empower people to really have the tools that they need to live a more natural lifestyle. So no matter what your profession is here tonight, you have three things in common, most likely. Hopefully not all three of these things, maybe just one. Stress, a lack of energy, and a lack of sleep. So I'm going to focus on those three areas tonight and touch on some ideas of how you can use essential oils to really help yourself more naturally to overcome those areas. Anybody in here use essential oils currently? Yes? Anybody not use essential oils? No? Okay. So everybody uses essential oils. This is really exciting. Everyone's at least familiar with them. All right, so that's a good start. So the first way to use oils is to diffuse them. So no matter where you are, you can either use a diffuser, so you can even diffuse in your car. I have a little car diffuser here, just FYI, if anyone didn't know that. They make them that you can plug into a USB. You can diffuse in your office, at your reception place. If you're in an office, at home even, anywhere you are, the diffuser is going to benefit you. It's going to help lower your stress levels. It's going to give you that instant satisfaction of, okay, I'm okay now. It's going to calm down that stress. So your sense of smell is your strongest sense. So it is one of those immediate reactions, and it's the easiest way to get started using essential oils. I have some bottles of peppermint here. I guess I have to stand up. If I trip, turn off the video, Gina. So I'm going to give the peppermint. I know you guys are eating, so you can take it or leave it. But what you can do, no matter where you are, take a drop, put it in your hand, rub your hands together, cup your hands over your nose and your mouth, and do a nice big deep inhale. Do it a couple times. So go nicely with some meditation maybe later. So when you get that, you should just have to turn it and drop it, and it'll come right out for you. So that would be a way that you could really, you can maybe pass this one behind you. You can get an instant sense of energy, a little boost for yourself. That's peppermint. It's super strong. Just do me a favor and don't touch your eyes. All right, and you can get, if you have any kind of congestion and maybe you feel kind of uptight, anxious, what you can do is put a drop in your hand. You could do a little dough bong.
Ah, that's nice.
So that's a good one, if anybody wants to do that. A dough bong. It's just a drop of oil and then you inhale. So that's going to help give you, nice, fresh feeling, opening everything up for you. You should be feeling it right now in your nostrils and your mouth as well. So that is a great one for if you have a lack of energy. You can do that as a little pick-me-up halfway through the day instead of turning to any energy drinks or always needing that caffeine, right? You can try some peppermint and wild orange. It's going to give you a nice pick-me-up. Another thing that you can do is use oils topically. So this is my favorite for stress relief, is to have a roller blend. Roller blend, just like this. You can mix your own oils in there, or you can get them with oil in there already. And then you're going to just put that on your pulse points, your chest, anywhere where you can smell it is going to be best for stress relief. And a blend like Balance. I have all these blends up here. I'm not going to pass them around. You can come smell them later. But it has a lot of tree oils. It's very grounding. It's going to be, again, one of those immediate types of reactions. Once you smell it, it's going to help calm you down. So as wellness practitioners, right, you're always focused on your clients and all of your patients, but you have to take the time to really take care of yourself too. So heightened stress, you're not going to be at your best to take care of other people, so make sure you're taking care of yourself. Have a little roller bottle with you in your pocket, in your bag, wherever you know that you're going to use it. Have those little triggers so that it reminds you, hey, let me just take a breath, use my oils, and calm down. Some other oils that are great for any kind of stress or anxiety is frankincense. I actually took a little drop of this right under my tongue, if anyone caught that before we started. So that's the third way you can use oils, is internally. The oils that I'm talking about tonight are doTERRA. They are approved for internal usage. If any of you are doctors in the room, you can do your own research. If you're not a doctor, you can talk to your doctor about taking them. But you could put it under your tongue to help any kind of anxious feelings, anxiety, really kind of calm yourself down. Another one would be lavender or Roman chamomile at night before you're going to sleep in your tea. You can also make a little sleepy time spray. I have in here some lavender and Roman chamomile. Spray it on your pillow. You can roll some oils on your feet. You can set your diffuser. You have a trifecta to really help yourself get better sleep. Think about your nighttime rituals. Are you laying in your bed scrolling through social media? Are you watching Netflix for an hour or 2 or 3 before bed, getting all of that blue light, right? So if you change some of those habits, maybe start your diffuser a half hour before you get into your room. You start to put the oils on your feet, on your chest, and over time you're going to get used to that routine, and your body will know, all right, it's time to go to sleep. I'm going to calm down now. It'll stop your mind from racing, so it's really going to give you the best sleep that you need so you can be at your best for your patients. Let's see if there's anything. The other thing, too, is you can have diffuser jewelry. I don't have any on tonight, but I had
one.
Yeah. The wood, yeah. I saw that before, Dana. So if you have any kind of porous substance like lava beads or wood or even leather bracelets or necklace, you can just put some oils on there and kind of smell it throughout the day. It's going to be just for you, so you can take some deep inhales whenever needed for stress relief or energy as well. So I just want to kind of end with, if you take one small step each day to invest in yourself and your wellness, over time you're going to have an amazing wellness routine and really be on the path to wellness. 2 other quick things. If you want to see me after the talks, if you have any questions at all, I have a little table over there. I'll be doing complimentary Aroma Touch hand technique massages. It's an essential oil application. It's a nice aromatherapy session. And I also am doing a make and take. I don't know if they can hear me, but I don't know how not. This Saturday at the Asbury Park Bazaar, I'm doing a roller blend make and take workshop. It's at 3 o'clock. You can come make your own roller blends. So if there's anything that you're looking for yourself or for gifts, I'll have them there this Saturday. Thank you.